Welcome to another math lesson, and today I want to show you a card trick, and this card trick is easy to perform. You can show this trick your friends, colleagues or relatives, and yes, let's start with a close-up. Okay, so we have here 18 cards, and now I'm looking for two random selected cards. And Elfie will help me. Oh, this is out of bounds. But here we have the first card. And the second card. Okay. So now we can mix it up again, doesn't matter. And I will start. And the first card face up is 6. And now I have to look whether two cards sum is 10. Next card is 3. So the sum is not 10. So I have to place the next beside here. And now I have 4 and 6. And if I have a pair with which is adding up to 10, so I place two new cards face up on these two cards. So, and we have now 2 and 7, and as you see, 7 and 3 is again the sum of 10, so I can place here the next two cards. And now we have 9, 4 and 2, so no possibility to add up some of two cards to 10. So I place the next card here. And this is an 8. And I can place the next two cards here. Five and 9. So no possibility. Next card here. This is a 3. So there's no 7. So I have to place the next card here. A 2. No 8 there. Next card here. And this is a 5. And we can add up 5 and 5 to 10. So next two cards here. And now is only one card over, so I place the card here, Ace. And if we have all cards on the table, then we have to sum again two cards. So Ace and 9 is 10, and place this stack aside and look for the next, which add up to 10, 8 and 2. and 6 and 4. Okay. So 2 cards are left, and these 2 cards show us which card are these face down cards. And the only thing we have to do is to calculate 10 minus the values. 10 minus 9 is 1 for ace, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So these cards are an ace and a 7. Let's look. Ace and 7, yes. Okay, and now I will show you it with a little screen here. Okay. And we do the same again with some explanation. Okay, first we need again 2 random cards, as before. So, discard. And that card. Can mix it up again. Okay. So, now we start with the first card, and I will write it on the screen too. So first is a 4. Next card is a 5. So I write here with my finger, so it's a bit difficult, not so easy like with a pen or pencil. And next card is 9. And a 2. And here comes an 8. And we can place 2 cards here. So 2 and 8. And now we have 2 and 4. So no possibility to add up to 10. And a 3. And another 9. And here comes a 6, and we can cover these 2 cards with another 2 cards. So yes, 6. So I will write the 6. No place left here. Small 6. No. I will write the 6 here. It's the most difficult with the finger, it seems. So 4 and 6 we can cover. And now we have two possibilities, 8 and 2 and 3 and 7. So I will write here the 8 and the 7. And first we make the 8 and the 2. 8 and 2, and then the 3 and 7. 3 and 7. And I have to write the 1 and the 7. And before 2 and 8, I had the 3 and a 5. Okay, so and now we have to look. 9 and ace is 10. Place aside. So then we have here 5 and 5 is 10, so I can 5 and 5 place aside. And 3 and 7 is out. And we have here the 4 and the 9. Yes. Okay, and we calculate again 10 minus. 10 minus 9 is 1, like ace, and 10 minus 4 is 6. So we have an ace and a 6 here. Let's look. Yes. 8 is ace and 6. Okay. And when we now look at our cards, so let's look to the 9. We have 2 9s covered up and 2 8s and 2 7s and 2 5s and 2 times the 4 and 2 times the 3 and 2 times the 2, but only one time the 6 and one time the 1 like ace. So if you would write this, then you would see without any knowledge of a trick who or which 2 cards are missing, because there's only one of the kind still there. So the setup was 18 cards, 1 to 9, 2 times. So you have also the possibility to choose 4 of the kind. I've chosen the 18 cards only. That's not too long for you. Yes, you can also use 4 9s, 4 8s, 4 2, and so on. That you have 36 cards at the end, and also 2 random covered face down cards, and adding 2 cards to 10. It's the same procedure, but only with 36, then 18 cards. Yes, and there's one important thing. This trick doesn't work if the 2 covered cards add up 10. So then this trick wouldn't work. Yes, this is important. Okay, and yes, I did this trick in one of my card trick series. It's a self-working mass trick, and I used it with 52 cards, and this is also possible. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will show you something for your kind comments and likes. This is for you. Thanks for watching. Wish you a nice time. Bye bye.